If you're planning to attend Satellite 2023, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From March 14th through the 16th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during Satellite 2023's exhibit hall hours at the Walter E. Washington Convention Center in Washington, D.C. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspection, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at Satellite 2023 why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by engineers and technicians throughout the satellite industry's remote visual inspection of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your own facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech Video Borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.